Touch that wire and you could die in seconds. It carries enough electricity to stop your heart. But look closer. A tiny sparrow lands on it. Nothing happens, no sparks, no smoke, no shock. The bird just sits there like it is resting on an ordinary tree branch. How? Does it have special feet? Are its feathers blocking the electricity? Or is something else happening? The answer is much stranger. The bird is not immune to electricity. Its body conducts electricity just like yours. The real reason is surprisingly simple. Electricity does not move just because a wire is dangerous. It only moves when it has somewhere to go. Think about water for a second. If you pour water onto a flat table, it does not rush anywhere. But if the table tilts, the water starts moving. Electricity works in a similar way. It needs a difference, a push, a path. That difference is called voltage. Voltage is what gives electricity the ability to move from one place to another. Now look back at the bird. Both of its feet are touching the same wire. That means both feet are at almost exactly the same voltage. So there is no difference between one foot and the other. And if there is no difference, there's no path, no current, no shock. The bird is safe for one simple reason. It is touching only one point. That is the key. Not magic, not special feathers, not super strong feet. Just one point. But now imagine the bird moves just a little. What if one wing touches another wire? What if one foot touches a metal pole? What if the bird stretches just far enough to touch two different points at the same time? Everything changes. Now the bird is no longer standing on one wire. It is connecting two places with different electrical levels. In that instant, its body becomes the path electricity was waiting for. That is when danger begins. So the bird is not safe because the wire is harmless. It is safe because the electricity has nowhere to go through it. That is the whole trick. And once you understand that, power lines start making a lot more sense. Large birds are the ones most likely to get into trouble. Why? Because they are bigger. A small bird can sit safely on one wire, but a large bird has a much wider wingspan. That means it can accidentally touch two different points at once.